What a wonderful nature. And this is an amazing creature. Whatever kind of a caterpillar it is so rare, it's so unique. But you see, so some of the things that we fear most, I must admit, even by holding this camera. I'm not so sure what I should do next. Because some things like this, of course, we rarely come face to face with it. Once in a while, and I want you to observe keenly. Of course, it's a very beautiful creature, I must say, but pia inaogopesha. Yeah, that's the aerial view. You can look at the back. It's well decorated. Yeah, very beautiful. But it's very dangerous. It's very dangerous. So that is it. You know it by name? You can drop the name on the comment section. And of course, follow Tusonge TV for more updates. Not just about news. We also go to entertain you by bringing you such unique videos. I don't know, I want to rattle it at least to make a move so you guys can be able to see. Yeah, I really want to rattle it a little bit and just to know its next move. That's my stick on the tail end of it. You see its reaction? Okay, it's trying to detect where the enemy is coming from, and of course I'm attacking from the tail rather. Yes, and I want to just to show you. So when you attack from the head, it freezes back, retreats, but it's so rough. In as much as it looks to be soft, but I can tell you, so rough, it falls, it turns so quickly. That is it. And that's the wonderful nature. You can have a view. It's trying to find its way, and it holds so tight from the tail end of it. If you know the name, don't hesitate, send the name via the comment section, and follow Tusonge TV for more updates. These are the rare events we find in our nature. Thank you so much. Thank you for following. Remember to subscribe and follow our channel.